Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can increase the limit on Coinbase with some easy steps. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular browser, type in coinbase.com and get into their official website. Make sure you're signed in as well. Tap on this profile icon on top right corner and then tap on this option of settings. Now from over here you will find plenty of options given on this row. Likewise, go ahead switch to this option of account limits given. Account limits, right? Go ahead tap on it. Then once you do that, your interface gonna pop up like this. You can see you have level 1, level 2, and level 3. This at 3 steps needs to be verified and done so you can unlock this section where you will be able to increase or decrease your limit accordingly, which is simply invest up to $9,500. It has asked, you can see, buy digital currencies with your bank account or debit credit card. Once you have done that, tap verify your phone number. Once it's done, now it comes to the level 2, which needs unlimited investing wired funds in and out of Coinbase. Store USD in your Coinbase account and verify price information. Send and receive digital currency, verify photo ID. Once you have completed this 3 verification level, you will be able to unlock the limit option, where you will be able to increase or decrease it accordingly. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.